All right, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for a video on cryptocurrency every day. My name's Austin. In this video, I want to share with you a few lower cap altcoin gems that I feel have real potential in cryptocurrency in the year 2021. The one thing to note is I am not a registered financial advisor. I can't see the future, so do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency. What we can do is follow the trends, see which coins are making progress. And having said that, let's jump in to the first altcoin on today's list, going to the bottom of the first page, 1inch, a lower cap project, currently trading at $5.39 per coin, per token. And if you're asking what 1inch is, it's a DEX, similar to Uniswap, SushiSwap, and actually it's more of a DEX aggregator, meaning it offers the best rates by discovering the most efficient swapping routes across all leading DEXs. And they have a token by the same name that's used for governance in the protocol. Well, breaking news from within the last 24 hours, DeFi aggregator 1inch stages a new vampire airdrop to Uniswap users, meaning they are retroactively sending their own 1inch token to Mooniswap and Uniswap users. So this is interesting because usually you airdrop your token to your own users to encourage engagement in your own protocol. Well, 1inch just went on the offensive and are sending their tokens to competitors' users to try and steal those users. And here are the details. First, Mooniswap. The new airdrop, which was already delivered, so it's happened, retroactively distributes tokens to anyone who interacted with Mooniswap before December 24th, and about 4.8 million tokens will be distributed to 9,000 users of Mooniswap. They're also airdropping tokens to certain wallets. And lastly, the project distributed 6 million 1inch tokens to particularly active Uniswap traders. To receive the airdrop, the traders must have interacted with Uniswap in at least 20 separate days and have done at least 3 trades this year in 2021. And get this, in addition, the wallets must not have interacted with either 1inch or Mooniswap in the past. So they're specifically going after users that have never used their platform. How many users was that? According to a 1inch spokesperson, there are about 25,000 such addresses, entitling each user to 240 tokens, or about $1,350 to each person at current prices. The airdrop looks to entice active Uniswap traders to try 1inch, the spokesperson said. Very interesting. And to receive these tokens, they're not just going to appear in your MetaMask wallet. To claim the airdrop, these users must connect their wallet to the 1inch protocol, which should familiarize them with the interface. So connect your wallet to 1inch and click a button called Claim. Give me your thoughts on 1inch down below in the comments section. It's very clear they're on the offensive and they are aggressively going after Uniswap, incentivizing their users to jump ship. The minute anything changes, I will let you know. You do not want to miss a daily video. Let's keep moving. The next coin on today's list, just outside of the top 100, so this is even lower cap, is Polkastarter, currently trading at $4.13 per token, per Pol's token. Polkastarter is definitely a coin to watch. And in 90 seconds or less, what is Polkastarter? Think of it like a Kickstarter for cryptocurrencies. So crowdfunding / fundraising in a decentralized manner. And as you can tell from the name, it is part of the Polkadot ecosystem, which is a very bullish ecosystem in my opinion. And it's actually a cross-chain decentralized protocol powered by Polkadot that allows startups to raise funds in a decentralized and interoperable environment. So no longer do you just have to stick to Ethereum or just stick to Polkadot or Binance Smart Chain or any of them. You can interoperate with Polkastarter. Polkastarter is a decentralized platform enabling startups and other projects to attract capital through token auctions and inter-blockchain token pools. Now, that's who they are, but the reason Polkastarter is making today's list is because we're seeing this protocol being used in a big way for exactly what it was intended. 4 initial DEX offerings launching on Polkastarter soon. IDXs are when you launch directly on a decentralized exchange. The 4 announced are Pokemarts, Polk, Superfarm, which I'm excited about, Public Mint, and DAO Ventures. These are all new projects that are about to offer their coins to the public, hence the IDO, and people are very excited. As I get more information on Polkastarter and on some of these projects, I will keep you updated. By the way, give me your thoughts down below, but let's keep moving. The next coin on today's list, actually this one has slipped up more into the mid-cap range, but it's 0x, the ZRX token, currently trading at $1.76. What is 0x? 0x is a decentralized exchange protocol that developers can use to build their own cryptocurrency exchanges. So it's the underlying protocol, and the company's founder refers to this solution as aiming to be the Craigslist for cryptocurrencies, in that developers can build their own cryptocurrency exchange and post it online. So this is the infrastructure for your DEXs, and it actually ranks second to Uniswap in terms of weekly DEX volume. According to Dune Analytics, Uniswap represents 59.5% of weekly DEX volume, followed by 0x with 12.9%, SushiSwap with 11%, and Curve with 10.2%. So it's a major player, but why are they making today's list? Check this out. 0x takes initial steps towards decentralizing their governance. So the team is passing off control to the people, which I like. I like that. The team behind decentralized finance DEX protocol, 0x, announced initial plans to decentralize their governance by creating a community-owned treasury seed-funded by 0x Labs. So in a direct quote, "As we continue our mission to create a tokenized world where all value can flow freely, 0x Labs intends to experiment with seed funding a community treasury managed by a DAO. To establish the DAO, 0x Labs will identify a set of bootstrap delegates that will shepherd the initial steps of governance decentralization." So this DAO will just be in charge of the treasury initially and then governance to follow, and longtime community members shouldn't be surprised. We originally shared our vision around the protocol's progressive decentralization in 2017 when we introduced ZRX, 0x Governance Token. We have already envisioned that 0x holders would one day be in full control of all aspects of the project, from managing the community treasury to driving protocol upgrades. So this is happening right now, and we should expect a fully open governance could be in place by the end of this year. Give me your thoughts on 0x becoming more decentralized, giving more power to the people. I like it, but let me know what you like. And the last two things that I think are a green flag for 0x, which I should mention, is that a version 4 update did just come to their mainnet, so they are optimizing, as well as last week, 0x Labs closed a $15 million fundraising round led by Pantera Capital. And Pantera Capital has invested in a lot of winners in the past. Probably a few losers, but a lot of winners. So as I get more information, I will keep you updated. I do want to take 45 seconds and mention sponsor of the channel, CryptoTrader.Tax, a very easy way to get your cryptocurrency taxes done. They automate the entire process. It takes less than 5 minutes. I used them last year. I will be using them this year. If you just search cryptocurrency taxes 2021, you'll see a 6-minute walkthrough / guide where I take you through the platform. I will link this down below, so whether you use Coinbase, Binance, Uniswap, it works for all exchanges. And by the way, only for you, if you are an Altcoin Daily audience member, every week, CryptoTrader.Tax is giving away a free cryptocurrency tax report. Just enter the contest, enter the giveaway down below. I will link this down below in the description. And for everybody else, feel free to use my promo code Altcoin Daily for 20% off. Check it out. Next coin I want to put on your radar is from the Flow blockchain, the altcoin Flow from Dapper Labs, currently trading at $14.14 and just outside of the top 100. Although I could easily see them moving up the ranks in the coming months. And how you know Flow And the reason they're getting so much mainstream media attention is because on the Flow blockchain, you can finally own actual NBA/sports highlights. Let me play you 30 seconds of this.
Well, meantime, it's not just Bitcoin that's been getting a lot of talk here. Everyone might be talking about those moves that we've seen, but other uses of blockchain's technology are rapidly advancing, especially when it comes to non-fungible tokens or NFTs. That technology has enabled tokenizing specific and unique assets to allow trading tokens that represent verifiable pieces of art or memorabilia. And one startup is capitalizing on that by tokenizing specific sports moments, starting with the NBA. Dapper Labs founded NBA Top Shot in partnership with the league to let fans buy, trade, and sell their own specific game highlights, like LeBron James throwing down a dunk in a Lakers game. That one moment was later resold for, get this, more than $71,000.
Wow. And Yahoo Finance then goes on to interview the CEO about NFTs. On this channel, we know the revolution of NFTs. And by the way, this isn't Dapper Labs' first rodeo. The team behind Dapper Labs scored a previous hit with CryptoKitties. And for those of you who weren't around in 2017, it was something that was launched back then at the height of Bitcoin mania. CryptoKitties, a game in which users buy, sell, and collect virtual cats, became the busiest address on the Ethereum platform. Give me your thoughts on Flow the coin / Flow the blockchain. I think just the narrative, being able to own your very own NBA highlight digitally, immutably, I think that'll be huge. I can see that being very popular. And what to expect in the future from Flow. With $50 million in funding, Dapper is moving into other digital collectible categories as well. Just this week, they partnered with Warner Music Group to launch a limited edition CryptoKitties with the English music band Muse. Up next, a collaboration with Dr. Seuss Enterprises. So something for sports lovers, something for music lovers, something for Dr. Seuss lovers. If/when anything changes, I will keep you updated. I will make a video, but let's keep moving. And the final coin on today's list, we've talked about them multiple times in the past, Energy Web Token, EWT, currently trading at $12 per coin and just outside of the top 100. What is Energy Web Token? EWT is the world's first open source enterprise blockchain platform tailored to the energy sector. So it's aiming to make the world a greener place. And it is designed on the Energy Web Decentralized Operating System, EWDOS, a full stack that includes front-end applications and a variety of software development toolkits. So it's for enterprises, and is maintained by over 25 validator nodes from 15 countries, including utilities, grid operators, and startups. We're seeing global adoption. We're seeing companies find value in it. ASA Automation, which is a German manufacturer, is leveraging Energy Web 0 to decarbonize international supply chain. So check out this utility. ASA Automation and Energy Web announced a renewable energy project leveraging the EW0 application to help ASA source renewables for its production facilities in Germany and Chile. Who is ASA Automation? ASA Automation is a leading global automation and robotics manufacturer that supplies equipment and solutions to multi-international companies, including Walmart, Nestle, Volkswagen, and Pfizer. Companies like these, with strong sustainability policies, require that suppliers such as ASA use low-carbon energy throughout their supply chain. EW0 will enable ASA to provide a verified proof that low-carbon energy was used in its facilities throughout the world to produce its products. We're seeing companies go greener. We're seeing companies prove that, verify that, through Energy Web / the Energy Web token. Give me your thoughts down below. If we missed a coin and you feel it should be added, let me know down below. But that is the video. I encourage you to check out either one of these two videos popping up right now. But like always, see you tomorrow.